To install multi-seal tire sealant with DuPont KEVLAR in your tires, drive your vehicle or rotate your tire so that the valve stem is near the top of the tire between 10 and 2 o'clock. Then remove the valve stem cap. Check the chart on the bottle to see how much sealant you'll need for each tire. Do not remove the cap from the bottle. Simply pull up on the disc on the top of the cap until the hose is fully extended. Gently twist and tug to remove the disc from the end of the hose. The end of the disc is your valve core removal tool. Put on your safety glasses. Place the tool on your tire's valve core and gently push to make sure the tool is seated on the core. Remove the valve core by turning counterclockwise and allow the tire to deflate fully. Push the hose onto your valve stem. Firmly squeeze the bottle to install the recommended amount of tire sealant. For most ATVs, UTVs, and off-road vehicles, you'll need 1 bottle per tire. For wheelbarrows and for most trailers, including travel trailers, boat trailers, and horse trailers, you'll need half a bottle per tire. For dirt bikes, you'll need a 1/4 bottle per tire. For oversized tires, or if your type of tire is not listed on the bottle, visit our website. After you've installed the correct amount of tire sealant, reinstall the valve core with the tool and turn clockwise to tighten it. Inflate your tire to the manufacturer recommended pressure and replace the valve stem cap. To fully distribute the tire sealant inside your tires, drive for a short distance. Once you have multi-seal tire sealant with DuPont KEVLAR in all your tires, you're ready to go anywhere.